Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we're going to do a little video science experiment kind of thing on my CZ457. I have the Bolt Shims. I haven't played with them much. Today I put a little test together. I'm going to run the factory bolt. We're going to do a few groups on my target, and then I'm going to put one shim in. We'll shoot another couple test groups, change out the shim, another couple test groups, go all the way through all the shims. If we see something we like, we have one last test group target at the end, and we'll put that one shim back in. So let's get to it. We're at 50 yards, let's get it done. Ripping on it. This is my test target. So I'm gonna shoot at least 3 5-shot groups with the factory setting. We'll put the 1.5 thou shim in, another at least three 5-shot groups, and we're just gonna keep going across until we hit our 5 thou shim, and we'll look at the results, pick the best shim, and do another 3 5-shot groups. Ammo we're using standard plus. If I shoot 4 5-shot groups, we'll be at 140 shots for this test. So I'm gonna probably go down to 3 5-shot groups. We'll get a big enough sample with 3, I'm assuming. And if we're not, then we'll do 4. So let's get to it. Let's get to shooting. So basically the rifle here, stock barrel, everything's stock except for the trigger on this rifle right now. So today we're doing the shim test with standard plus. We got to shoot 3 5-shot groups with our base stock setting with the stock bolt, and then we'll start putting the shims in. There's our stock setting with the bolt, 5-shot group. I'll be right back with the next shim in. So I have the yellow shim installed now in the bolt. There's our other shims. We'll put them back in that little envelope and we'll do our next test. All right, these are 1.5 thou. This is the first group. That already looks pretty damn good. 2 more groups, then we'll go up to 2 thou shim. Bolt close is slightly stiffer than factory, but still nothing to complain about. Wow, looks like I've been missing out on some inexpensive accuracy here. Last group with 1.5 thou. I think I screwed that up just because I pulled it. All right, next shim is the black. Now we have the black shim in. Shoot another group. It's 2/1000 of an inch. See how the bolt close is. A little snugger. Still nothing too stiff. Here we go. Next group down. I don't know. It's not really liking this one. Next group. Yeah, those are all, well, one was out, but the rest are in the same hole. Maybe we'll do one more group with the 2 thou. Kind of opened up. We had one really good group other than the one flyer. But now we'll put the 3 thou in and try again. Now we have the blue 3,000th shim in there. Let's see how it performs. Bolt close getting stiff now, for sure. Definitely stiff. That's amazing. Can it be replicated though? That's the thing. So 3 thou, that's looking solid. I think that one was me. All right. Still have one more, maybe 2 more groups. What we can do is maybe take best out of 4. Best 3 out of 4, maybe? I don't know. Let's get to it. All right, we definitely need another group for this one as well. That first group was 1 hole, 5 shots. Pretty solid. All right, here we go. Guess we're gonna have to try the 4 thou. Okay, our purple shim's in. That's 4 thou. I'll put the blue one away. Then we only have one more left. That's the red at 5 thou. That's right here. Don't want to lose it, so I'll put it on my screwdriver. The magnet's holding it. And let's get to shooting. 4 thou. I noticed at 3 thou, the bolt close is getting a bit stiff. Let's see how this one goes. Yeah, there's good tension the whole way there. Okay, here we go. Not looking too bad. One flyer. I'll do one more group. This one as well. Must have shot an extra one there, but yeah, definitely opening up so far. I'd have to say the 1.5 is looking the best. But we have one more to try, so let's try it right now. There we have a red 5/1000 shim in. Let's see how we can do it. Ooh, that bolt closes real stiff now. 5 thou. Here we go.
Even both openings really stiff.
Next target down. That one looked good, but the bolt closes real stiff. I think that was 5.
That was, wow. That's falling apart quick.
All right, 5 thou is way too stiff. So judging by the groups, I think the 1.5 or the 3. Probably go with the 1.5 because we had 2 pretty solid groups. I'll put the 1.5 thou back in. We'll shoot another 4 5-shot groups and see if our shots are repeatable. If not, we'll go back to factory. Well, from what I observed, I'm thinking the 1.5 thou shim seemed to give me the most consistent reliability and accuracy. So now let's go back to the 1.5 thou and shoot another 4 or 5-shot groups. See if it holds it together. If not, I want you guys to opinion on what you think. But let's get to it right now. Basically 3 in 1 hole, that's pretty good. Next one down. Still looking pretty good. Group number 3.
Oh no.
What the heck's going on there? Still looking decent. Last one.
One more shot. Not sure which group that was from.
I'll shoot the 3rd one, I guess. Well, there we have it. You know what? There's another target up. We'll shoot 140 bullets for this test. We'll do 2 more 5-shot groups, or should we do 1 10-shot group? You know what? We'll shoot 1 10-shot group. That way we'll get a huge picture of a big sample size and what's most likely to happen for accuracy. So There we go. 10 shots. Top left target. There we have it. So that's the Bolt Shim test video. Let me know what you guys thought about that. I'm gonna probably leave the 1.5 thou in this bolt now from now on. And we'll try some other ammo and see what happens. Sorry if this video is getting kind of long. I'm gonna try to shorten it up the best I can. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Have a great one. Take care, guys.